Hey folks, in today's dashboard lesson we are going to look at how to use a table chart. And a table chart is sort of an underused way of charting data. Let's take a look back here. What I've done to create this table chart is to go ahead and let me go ahead and get rid of this. I don't think that'll affect the one that's there. Nope. So what you can do is select your data range. I have all of this data, quite a few rows of data, and then I can go to my chart. And of course, it's going to come up with a column chart, but one of the choices is a table chart. Now, what we can do with a table chart is, do some things on resizing it. And what's nice about this is that when I go to customize it, I can show alternate my row colors. I can also show my row numbers, and then I can choose what kind of sorting I'm doing. And let's say I wanted to sort on sales amount descending, and I want to show pagination, and I want to uh, maybe I want to show like 20 pages. There's 2,000 rows here, so that would give me 50 pages of 20, or maybe even 40 pages. And then I can quickly come down to my last row of data. I can go to my first row of data. I can move between different rows of data and kind of look how I can adjust these things. And I can jump pretty quickly to different sections now. In this kind of data, maybe it's not that important, but one of the nice things here is I've got this sorted by sales amount descending. So here's my top sales, and I can kind of scroll through them, and then I can quickly jump and look at my lowest sales as they have accumulated by my sales reps. So I can take that dashboard and stick it over here, and again, use it in the same way to quickly look through some of the data. Embedded right in my dashboard, I have a table that I can click on and move through and look at some of the underlying data. So a handy different kind of a chart that you might want to use in certain circumstances gives us this advantage of being able to quickly look at my lowest sales and my highest sales, almost like using a filter.